Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 12.1, Problem 8. This is Section 12.1, Problem number 8. It says find the derivative of the function f of x equals 3.675. Now, this is a decimal, but there's no x with it. There's no variable. So anytime you have a function that's just a number, or what they call a constant, the derivative is 0. So this problem number 8 is very, very similar to problem number 7. What's different is this looks a little tougher because it's a decimal. Problem number 7 was just 4. But like number 7 before this one, let's talk a little bit about why it comes out to 0. Once you see the explanation why a couple of times, then that's fine. Every time you see a derivative of just a number, you just put 0 and you're all set. But let's start the problem again and talk about why it's 0. So let's do f of x equals 3.675 and start talking about why it's going to be 0. Usually what you have is there's a variable and an exponent. The exponent comes down times the number in front. You reduce the exponent by 1. I don't have a variable. I can wind up putting 1 in. Let's start with f of x equals 3.675 times 1. That's still 3.675. I can do that. That's legal. And f of x can then be written 3.675 x to the 0. I've replaced 1 with x to the 0. I can do that because they're equal. X to the 0 is 1. So now what I have is I have the function written in a form that matches the standard setup for the rule for a derivative. There's a number in front, there's a variable, and there's an exponent. So now what's going to happen is the exponent comes down times the number in front. The exponent of 0 comes down times the 3.675. And then the variable is raised to 1 less power. 0 minus 1. So what happens is the 0 in front just wipes out everything. And we have f prime of x is 0. So it does work. And the other way you can see that, whenever we have f of x equals just a plain old number like this with no variable, f of x and y, remember, are always interchangeable. You can replace f of x equals 3.675 with y equals 3.675. And y equals a number is a horizontal line at that height. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.675 is going to be slightly higher than 3.5. To have a horizontal line at a height of 3.675. And the derivative really is the slope. So the slope at any point on a horizontal line will be 0. So it's nice to see this explanation a couple of times, but as you get used to it, you should just be able to see if the function is just a plain number with no variable, the derivative is always 0 all the time, whether it's 3.675 or 82 or whatever the number is. If there's no variable, derivative 0.